Hello viewers, I am going to talk about the Soul's Prayer by Sarojini Naidu. The Soul's Prayer by Sarojini Naidu is one of the important poems of the poetess. Sarojini Naidu was one of the most gifted Indian poetess. Her poems are appreciated not only in India but also abroad. Popularly known as the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu wrote in English about themes that are essentially Indian. Her poetry also reflects her love for her nation. The poem, The Soul's Prayer, reveals Sarojini Naidu's mystic vision about the problems of life and death. The poem is an imaginary conversation between the poet and God. The poet imagines herself to be a child of a 13-year-old. She feels pride to take birth from his breath. She pleads God to reveal the meaning of life and death. Speak, Master, and reveal to me thine inmost laws of life and death. The poet prays to God to give her not only the bliss of life but also the pain and sufferings of life. She strongly believes that only when she possesses through the trials and tribulation of life, her soul will get satisfied. She further asks God to explain her the most complex thing of what happens to one before one's birth and after one's death. She wants God to tell this secret to her. God then answers her prayer. He promises her to provide her everything, every answer to her queries, to her questions. He accepts to give her both the passionate rapture and despair. God allows her to enjoy all emotional experiences, both good and bad, sweet and bitter. She shall have both joys and sorrows. She shall have love that will burn her life like fire, and pain that will purify her like water. God also informs her that even after having the experience of love, hatred, joys, sorrows, highs and lows of life, her soul will not get satisfied. It will have a strong desire to be released from the blind prayer. Her tired and forgiven soul will beg to learn about peace instead of intensity. It will want to know how to live this burning and cleansing and simply experience quite underrated peace. At last, the poet finds solace in the knowledge that life and death, light and shadow, are merely the two faces of God. Sarojini Naidu composes life compares and likens life to a prism through which the color of life, including joy and sorrow, are realized, experienced. In the concluding stanza, God bends from his sevenfold height. Heaven, that is heaven, with care to teach his children the meaning of his grace. Thus, the poem concludes with a belief that life and death are interlinked with one another. So, shadow and light are just like birth and death, like night and day, morning and evening, like inhaling and exhaling. To conclude, the Soul's Prayer is a very religious poem of Sarojini Naidu. And this is very musical. The poem is full of beautiful images, nature images. It is very rhythmic, it is very musical, it has a musical quality in abundance. In a nutshell, the Soul's Prayer by Sarojini Naidu is one of the best Indian poems. Thanks a lot.